My English study. My English study is very important to me. I learn new words every day. I practice reading small stories in English. I also write short sentences to improve my writing. I listen to English songs and videos to learn how words sound. Sometimes English feels hard, but I do not give up. I ask questions when I do not understand something. Practice speaking with friends and classmates. Every day I try to think in English a little more. My English study helps me feel confident and happy.